y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I have some more happy mail to share with you. I got the newest subscription from Felicity Jane and my Pipsticks subscription for the month. So if you would like to see what is in these two boxes, then keep watching. Let's go. Okay, let's start with the Felicity Jane order. This is the Julia kit. This is actually my last subscription kit for a while from Felicity Jane. I discontinued my subscription, not because I don't love Felicity Jane, because I do. I just have so much in my stash right now that I have no more room for all of these gorgeous kits. So I'm going to try to bust through some stash. I'm going to take a little break from my subscription and then hopefully be able to pick it up in the future once I've gone through some supplies. But let's check out what is in here. So it's always wrapped so beautifully. There's a wonderful little thank you note. Thanks so much for your order, which I love. And then lots of goodies. Let me get it out of here and then I'll show you guys what is included. All right, I'd like to start with the paper pack this month because I feel like the paper pack kind of sets the tone for the whole kit. So this is, again, the Julia kit, and it's kind of looking forward into spring. You have this beautiful floral. I love this kind of orangish pink color right there. So the floral and stripes, those are fun. That's different. I like those. Very neutral, which is one of the reasons I love Felicity Jane. Hearts and trellis. Love the branding strip on this one. Again, these are just great for so many projects because they're beautiful, they're soft, they're feminine, they're neutral. You can use them in a lot of different things. Dots and type. So here's dots and here is type, and you can see a bunch of random letters. So fun. So fun. Look at that. That's different too. Plaid and rainbows. I know I'm going to love this one because you guys, look at all of those sweet rainbows. I love that. Plaid and rainbows. Then you have grid and spots. Beautiful pink grid and some little spotty dots. Again, love the branding strips always for Felicity Jane. Stripes and stars. Great color scheme. Very fun and happy. Oh, so good. This one would be great for the 4th of July too. I love that. And then of course some solids that go with the kit. I always like that they include those and you don't have to pay extra to get the solids. So those are the papers from the Julia kit. And let's see what else was included with the subscription. All right, next up would be the 3x4 journaling cards. And I am not a pocket page scrapbooker, but I do love using these journaling cards. They are always neutral on the back, so you can use them to mat other photos really easily. You have the beautiful florals, this beautiful kind of hunter green with the hearts, a stripe, very pretty details of the day. I love that. I love the kind of wonky star. That's very cute. Polka dots, tons of fun. 1 through 5, again, great for journaling, I think. I'd love them for that. I like the square mosaic grid, some diagonal stripes, the bright pop of yellow this week, and create. Very pretty. All right, so those are the journaling cards. And then I feel like we got a bunch of stuff this time around. We have some little tiny paper clips. I love their little wide paper clips in this dark green. If you can see that, these are so cute. I actually use them in my planners all the time and did not have green, so I'm super excited for those. There is a washi tape that is stars, which I'm all about. It is that wonky star pattern. Let me see if I can roll some of it out for you. There you go. Black and white wonky stars. If you are a fan of that black and white neutral washi, this is kind of a little bit edgier, but I love, love, love that. That's going to be super useful. Love that. All right, we have one of my favorite things, which would be the die cut shapes. So let's open these up and see what is included this month. Of course, there's so many. They're like all caught up. There we go, getting all those flowers and stuff. All right, ton of flowers. Look at the word create. That is so cute. You have little Miss Julia right there. Lots of spring florals. My happy place. Creating is my happy place. Yes, that is definitely me. So cute. I made this. This is going to be perfect for me. Work in progress. So adorable. I love the tags. I could use about 1 million of these rainbow pieces. I like that a lot. All right, let's see what else. Some more tags in here. I like these little mini ones. Those are very cute for adding details. And then we have chapter 3 for the month of March. So pretty with the butterflies, more florals. I like that these are a smaller scale. I feel like they had been getting pretty big with the florals, so it's nice to have a few that are a little bit smaller. Beautiful. Some little photo corners, little tags. Another photo corner. This one says this moment. A bow. Some of the wonky hand-drawn hearts, which are a lot of fun. And another tag. So some great ephemera pieces. I always love them from Felicity Jane, and I love that you can usually mix and match the pieces with other kits because there is this neutral kind of light feel most of the time. So cute. All right, we also have chipboard buttons, workspace, happy, love this. This is gonna be great for like documenting your creative space. And a lot of people I know have been combining their creative spaces with their at-home workspaces during this pandemic time. So that is going to come in super handy. You have some epoxy or enamel dot stickers. So pretty in all of the colors and the different sizes represented. These are great for adding just little details to your spread, your journaling. Here is the alpha this month. This is the Julia alpha, and it is in that yellow. This has a bit more of an orange color, I feel like, than the yellow that is in the kit. See, that's a little bit oranger, but still really pretty, kind of a sharp design. I like that, very nice. All right, then we have the stamp set, which tons of people were super excited about. I love this buildable rainbow, all about that. Create, create, create. Yes, creating, it's my thing, of course. This is happiness. Sometimes it gets worse before it gets better. Love that, how it started and how it's going, yes. And I really like this box. I think that's going to be super helpful in my memory planning. The details box, because I could stamp that on just a bunch of white cards and have that ready to put in. This is a great stamp set. I'm going to get a ton of use out of this one. Look at the arrows and little hearts. This is a really good one. And then there was this 6x6 paper set, and I didn't realize that this was in the subscription pack, but this should mirror what we had in the other set, double-sided. There you go, some stripes and the gingham, super cute, and some solids that will go along really nicely. So that was what is included in the Julia kit from Felicity Jane. I love it, of course. I am a little sad that this is my last subscription for a while, but that's okay. I have a ton of beautiful supplies to play with, and I can't wait to get creating. All right, let me clear this off, and then I will show you what was in my Pipsticks subscription. All right, for Christmas this year, my husband, knowing me so well, purchased me a year subscription to the Pipsticks Pro Sticker Club, and this is the classic pack, and I have been loving it. It is so much fun. So every month you get Pippi, which is their magazine. Their sticker magazine has some fun little articles, activity ideas. It kind of gives you the behind the scenes on how they created certain stickers. They have the Pips poll, just a lot of fun. You guys, these are so, oh, look how cute, putting that on your keyboard. I love that. That is adorable. So many fun ideas, and of course these stickers are absolutely beautiful. Let me open this up and show you what's inside. Okay, before we jump into the stickers, can we just talk about this holographic bag? I've been saving these. If you have any ideas on what I could do with this sticker comes off, this one on the front. And so now I have 3 of these bags, and I think they would be so fun to use for a project, and I just can't decide what. So if you have an idea, let me know. below. But let's check out these stickers this month. All right. So always a good one. This one is all food, kind of in rainbow order. I love that it's in rainbow order. In case you're doing a spread, it's like food. You have your heart right there. You have money. You have hummingbirds. It's like a whole mixture of things that covers the rainbow. That is fun. Sticker of the rainbow. It says over and over. That is super cute. And speaking of rainbow, you guys, I'm obsessed. Look at how beautiful those are with that foil detail. Oh my goodness. I wish I had more of those. That is so pretty. I love that. Oh, so I love this subscription. It is so fun to get each month. Look at these little hand-drawn pieces. You have the little mailbox, the cars, and then of course all the florals. Yay for spring. It's coming, you guys. Spring is coming. It's going to be here soon. The Happy Mail with all of the rainbows. This is like my pack this month, you guys, with all of these rainbows. Look at all of the little Happy Mail pieces. Those are so fun. Oh, the terrariums with the little unicorns in them. It's like little stables almost. Oh, those are so delicate and pretty. So I've been mainly using these in my nightly gratitude journal. I've been using them in my morning journaling. They are just fun to play with. I get it that these might not be everyone's styles, but for me, it kind of harkens back to my childhood and collecting stickers. I was a huge Lisa Frank fan, loved all of the stickers, and was all about it all the time. So this is super fun and brings me a lot of joy. Look at all of these parrots and these tropical birds. And that's like one big sticker. You could obviously cut those apart if you wanted, but how adorable. These are also super fun to share with my kiddos, to decorate things for them. You get a large vinyl sticker with the rainbows and the cup of needles. How sweet. Oh, I love that. Lunch for one is what it's called. That's super sweet. Generally, you get an alpha each month. This one says smile more, shine on. All of these beautiful colors. Oh, I love the rainbows this month. Here's our 70s disco kind of look with the rainbow dancers. How adorable are they? Look at this one, like peeking through their legs. How cute. I know I'm saying adorable a lot, but I really like them. My boys are going to flip out. They love these things. The dancing men out advertising. I love that. So sweet. Here comes the sun. Definitely like this retro vibe. More rainbows. All of the rainbows this month. You're going to see rainbows on all my things. Some zebras. Show your stripes. So you have the black and white zebras, and then you have the colorful zebras. I love it. How adorable. Look at all of the little girls and the boys and girls. So here, this one's all girls. Here you have boys and girls, and this is all boys in the rainbow colors. And look, you get so many stickers. So I've really been focusing on using them, not hoarding them. Part of me just wants to keep them to look at because they bring me joy, but using them on my projects also brings me joy. So I've been trying to use a ton each month. I already have a ton that still need to get used up, but it's fun to flip through your sticker book to see what you have. This one, oh, all these phrases, work your magic, and it's like holographic. Heck yes, do your thing, high five, be kind, shine on, do your thing, keep going, heck yes, all of that. Oh, with all of that shine. I love, love, love it. And here is our kind of retro PJ party. Look at these girls in their PJs with their colorful hair. This rainbow girl with her little mask on, it says Sweet Dreams. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. So fun. And then you get a postcard each month. And this one is this beautiful gold foil with the Happy Mail on it. So how stinking cute is this Pipsticks order? You guys, like I said, it doesn't necessarily get used on all the projects, but I do use them. They bring me tons of joy because they are so colorful. They remind me of being a kid and falling in love with stickers, and I don't ever think you can be too old to enjoy stickers. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll make sure to link Felicity Jane and Pipsticks down below if you want to check those out. Special shout out to my YouTube members. Thank you so much for joining and for supporting this creative journey. If you are interested in becoming part of our member community full of special perks, make sure you click that join button down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.